I'm going to get some right now. And yes, we're going back to look at plants again.
What about these things, Jeff?
No, that's just for the spring.
You don't want to get it, do you?
My absolute favorite place of all time. If you're ever on Long Island, Hicks in Westbury. Love, love, love this place. Just want to do a quick. Oh, it smells.
Are you going to do a video or you want to buy something?
Here we go again. Really? Did you say that on purpose?
Oh, what? I didn't know.
That's what you said last time. Mussels.
Now what do you want to look for? They're all in there.
Oh my god, I want one of these so bad, but I think they're just for the house. And I'm not good at taking care of stuff.
You'll turn into that, right?
It's just so, no, this is what I love, the tree. Oh, I love, 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 love it. But, don't forget my little flower.
You want that up front? 100% sure there, right? Do you want to move this one over?
Yay. I like the way, I think that's a good idea. I know. Come here. Alright, looks good.
What's she doing? Get out.
No, you're gonna get dirty. You just got groomed.
Like
Look at the trees are budding. You know what that means. We had a hot weekend and all the trees started to bud. That means spring is arriving. Once I see this on the trees, I know, here we go. And then in a few days, the trees will pop. Maybe a week or two, but usually when I see this, all of a sudden you blink and the trees have leaves, and that's like my favorite part. Like, I cannot stand winter because I hate when the trees are so boring and sad looking like this. But we're getting there. Come on, spring, we're waiting. No. Good job, honey. Good job.
Thank you.
Ooh. Couple of new dresses? No, you don't. You're gonna look good tonight. Whose birthday is it?
Me.
It's Sophia's 17th birthday.
Totally.
We're heading into the city tonight. Yeah. Kill me now.
I
know.
don't. I feel like it smells.
Well, Ma.
After showering.
So I gotta go get my nails done. I look terrible too. But I'm gonna get my nails done now. You already got
I
your
look
nails
so
done.
ugly.
Oh, stop. And we're heading into the city in a couple hours. Yay! We're gonna stay over. And we're going to dinner. Stop. We're going to dinner. And what else?
The Empire Hotel.
Okay, so we'll catch you later. We'll take you along for a little bit, just a quick little vlog. And yeah, so that's it. See you soon. Dark here.
We're gonna go to Lincoln Center. I don't even know.
The lighting is like, I can't. There we go. Ooh. Hi, honey. Yay. All right, our night in the city. This is the Empire Hotel.
It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that's cool. You think it's like part of the building or it's just for decor?
Yeah, it's part of the building for sure.
We're Gossip Girl. This is Chuck's.
Yeah.
Oh. Chuck's building from Gossip Girl. Let me see if I can get, because the lighting, let me go over here. It's a pretty big room for a New York City. The girls got more of a smaller room.
That's
But
even smaller than we had last time.
too bad.
Right?
I know. They don't have a couch. But you know what?
What are they gonna do? They're gonna go
We're
around?
older. We deserve it. They'll have their time.
Oh, we got 2 air conditioners on? Oh, no, it's cold.
Okay, I have to jump in the shower and get ready. The lighting's not bad in front of the window. Maybe I'll do my makeup there. Alright, I gotta jump in the shower.
What you do?
Yes, I do. Where are you? Okay. I forgot my mirror to do my makeup in, so this was my makeshift makeup section here. So sad. And I had to use like my little mirror. But it's all good. My makeup is done. I just have to do my hair now. Someone is resting over there. Hi.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Okay. I will catch up with you later. Hey guys. Okay, so the mirror is in a bad section, so I can't show you just what I'm wearing.
Let me see. Ooh. Where you going tonight?
Going out to dinner in the city. Okay.
That's
It's a
great.
nice room, right? But okay,
Yeah.
so what do you think the girls are doing? Are you getting me? Because I feel like
You know what I like to do right now? Look, I like to see that. That is cool. That is one piece of good architecture right there.
Oh, boy.
Right in the
I thought I
bathroom.
was a good piece of architecture.
Oh, you are too. Silly.
All right. Wait a minute. Look at this handsome guy, though. GQ, baby. GQ. Go, Joey.
No, shut up. That's
All
enough.
right.
I don't care.
Okay, so I do have one question about this room. Like, why is, I think it's made literally for like tall people. Like, I can't reach that. I can't reach that. And that's where you have to hang stuff. And then I was like, all right. But then I come in here and the mirror is way, like that's my head. That would be me if I'm looking in the mirror. Like, what? Why? I don't get it. Like, seriously, is this for like a room for tall people?
How's my fashion?
Very weird. Okay,
Do I look right?
you look so handsome. Okay guys, I wanted to show you my new coat from Zara. I am like in love with it and it's pretty inexpensive, I have to say. Isn't it like so nice? Even this hood. You want to? Oh, I don't think that hood's gonna work. I love it though. I really do. So, $40 only. Shh, don't tell my husband. Oh, hi, honey. Okay. Okay.
Like a what? Oh, okay, what do you think?
Not look at me.
I want to look at you.
Camera.
Hey guys.
View. Can you see the view behind us?
No.
Right, the roof's that far. I don't like to get people because I feel like it's rude.
Oh, who's that guy in the back? Who's that guy in the back? Zoom in on that.
I'm not getting anything. We wanted to sit outside.
Drinks or without?
I put my kitty sips away. Hi. Daddy, smile. Wait, let's stay out here a little.
I know what you mean. Sorry.
Just 20 years ago, there was nothing there.
How do you feel that your daughters look
20
like
years
that?
ago, there
Does
was
it kill
nothing.
you?
20 years ago, there was nothing.
Does it
Just
kill
air.
you?
What if I
Yeah,
didn't
they
meet
weren't
you? There'd
born
be
yet.
nothing. If I didn't meet you, there'd be nothing there.
Does it kill you? Look at your daughters. Look at them. Oh my God, you're in trouble, my son. My husband.
Imagine you just heard those guys say something. Wow, you see that one in the red? Where am I?
Sorry. So, we still have to go out to dinner, but we're at our rooftop bar, and we're getting some cocktails.
A little tipsy, just a little bit.
Do you think they can hear us?
Hold on.
I'm not tipsy.
We got a little bit of this. It's empty, of course. I'm not gonna finish
I
it.
don't think we're gonna bring you to dinner though. That's like,
What?
let's see. I'll show you my dinner maybe.
Five, yep.
Take some chair away.
How beautiful are these floors? Okay, we're checking out. Happy birthday. Did you have a good birthday?
Yes, I did. It's
Yeah.
really fun.
It was fun? Mm-hmm. All right. We got the bigger room now. You know what I noticed? All I had to do was look a little further, and I didn't even realize Lincoln Center. Look, it's right there. Right outside my window, though. How did I not even notice that? That's kind of cool. All right, we're gonna go eat. It's kind of cool. I have zero hope for my hair staying even a little curly because it's raining out today, which is a bummer, right? I'm like,
Cute.
the coloring here is horrible.
Yeah. And this the back.
I
This is where we're
know,
going.
but I have like white shoes on. Not white,
Are we going to the museum?
Cream.
We just look at the wing.
that I got at, where did I get my shoes?
If I would drive downtown, yeah.
I know you guys don't want to.
I got my shoes at
No, what
Bloomingdale's.
else we gonna do?
And I just feel like, I wish it was nicer out,
I know.
but it is what it is. You're just comfortable for the weather.
Yeah, really. I'm
All right.
sweating.
So, I have the air on.
Our airlift does not work in our room. So
Alright, that's what we're
like,
going
it's just
now.
not.
All right, we're gonna go to Sarah Beth's for breakfast brunch, and then we're gonna go see if we can go to the Illusion Museum.
I want to. I hope it's
I
not
know, well, it might be a 2-hour wait.
We will,
So,
maybe we will.
okay,
Let's get a nice
bye
breakfast.
for now. Bye.
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 Bye. I'm about to go swimming because I'm not wearing my bathing suit. I'm not bringing it.
I stopped at my glasses.
Oh, you really? Look, how many restaurants just right in this area? Like 5. Right in this block.
Like if you live in the city, you just go to all these places. Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, and like walk around like.
Hey, you want to buy that island burger? Here you go. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm gonna stand up in it. What do I look like? Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson. Whoa, stop.
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh my god,
Bring your bag and let's fill the juice. How come my head's always chopped off?
Hello. Wait, my shirt's almost up. Boop, boop, boop.
I feel like you're never in my videos.
I know. Anyway, look how we go.
Look at Sandra.
Oh, wait, I
Follow
look
me,
pretty right
follow me.
there
Let's
in
go
that
right
one.
behind.
Like,
Oh, look at the flowers.
In that room that she like. Do you want to go over there or no?
no, I've already been in there.
Is the other girl who pretended to be
I know, so have I, but it's like something
Oh,
to do.
I guess so.
I think that was not the girl.
I know, it's like I feel raindrops.
Yeah, it's like raining a little bit.
I don't remember their name.
Oh, did I? I'm sorry.
You're really dangerous back there.
Yeah, I could go.
It's cold.
Let's get out of here.
All right, heading
Get out of
home.
town. Let's get out of town.
Get out of town.
The bar in Gossip Girl where Chuck Bass sat. Chuck Bass sat right there. And I remember Blair came down those stairs right there. It's kind of cool. If you watch Gossip Girl, it's pretty cool. Chuck Bass bar. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog now, and we're getting ready to go home. So I hope you enjoyed our little visit to the city with us, and catch you later. Till next time, have a great day.